Hey, buddy, isn't it great to be living in such a beautiful village?
Yeah, Dad, I love it here. Everything is so green and pretty.
That's right. Our village is surrounded by nature. See those mountains over there?
Yeah,
Those mountains are covered with forests, and they're home to all sorts of animals. And look at the river that runs through our village.
I love playing by the river, Dad.
I know you do, and it's not just the river itself, but all the plants and trees that grow along its banks. They're so beautiful and peaceful.
What's that big tree over there, Dad?
That's an oak tree, buddy. It's one of the oldest trees in our village.
Wow, how old is it?
I'm not exactly sure, but I think it's over 100 years old.
Whoa, that's even older than you, Dad.
That's right. Okay, so what do you think makes our village so beautiful?
I think it's all the flowers and trees, and the river, and the mountains.
That's all true, but I think it's also the people who live here. We have such a great community.
Yeah, everyone is always so nice and friendly.
Exactly. And we all look out for each other. That's what makes our village such a special place.
I'm glad we live here, Dad.
Me too, buddy. Me too.
Dad, can we go for a walk now?
Of course, buddy. Let's go explore our beautiful village.
Yay!
Okay, so let's walk along the river and see what kind of interesting things we can find.
Sounds like fun.
And look, buddy, there's a family of ducks swimming in the river.
Quack, quack.
I think the ducks are saying hello.
Hi, ducks.
And look at all the different types of flowers that are blooming along the riverbank.
Wow, they're so colorful.
That's right. Nature is full of so much beauty and wonder.
I love living in our village, Dad.
I know, buddy. Me too.
Thanks for showing me around, Dad.
Anytime, buddy. I love spending time with you and exploring our beautiful village.
Can we come back and explore some more tomorrow?
We'll see, buddy, but I promise we'll have many more adventures together in our village.
Yay!
Okay, buddy, let's head back home now. Your mom has lunch ready for us.
Okay, Dad, but can we come back and explore some more later?
We'll see, buddy, but I promise we'll have many more adventures together in our village.
Yay!
And hey, buddy,
Yeah,
I'm really proud of you for appreciating the beauty of our village. That's something special.
thanks, Dad.
Now, let's go see what your mom has made for lunch.
Yay!
And after lunch, we can work on that puzzle we started yesterday.
Okay,
I love spending time with you, buddy.
I love spending time with you too, Dad.
Okay, we're home now. Let's go wash our hands and have lunch.
Okay,
And don't forget to tell your mom all about our adventure this morning.
I will.
I'm looking forward to hearing all about it again at lunch.
Dad,
Okay, let's go. Buddy, go wash your hands and I'll meet you at the table.
okay, Dad.
And don't forget to use soap.
I won't, Dad.
Alright, buddy, lunch is ready. Let's dig in.
Yay!
So, buddy, what was your favorite part of our adventure today?
I think it was seeing the ducks in the river.
That was definitely a highlight. I'm glad we got to see them.
Can we go see them again tomorrow, Dad?
We'll see, buddy, but I promise we'll have many more adventures together.
Yay!
Okay, buddy, finish up your lunch, and then we'll work on that puzzle.
Okay, Dad.
And after we finish the puzzle, we can go for a bike ride if you want.
Yay!
I'm looking forward to it, buddy.
Me too, Dad.
All right, buddy, let's get started on that puzzle.
Okay,
I'll show you how to put the pieces together,
okay,
and then you can try it on your own.
okay.
You know, buddy, I was thinking, maybe we can plant a garden in our backyard.
Yeah, that would be so cool, Dad.
We can grow all sorts of things, tomatoes, carrots, flowers.
Can we grow a pumpkin?
Absolutely, we can grow a big, giant pumpkin,
Yay!
and we can take care of it together.
Okay,
I'll show you how to water it and give it sunlight.
okay, Dad.
And when it's ready, we can carve a face into it.
Like a jack-o'-lantern.
Exactly.
That's going to be so much fun.
I'm glad you're excited, buddy. I am too.
Can we go pick out the seeds now?
Not right now, buddy, but soon, I promise.
Okay,
You know, buddy, I was thinking, maybe we can have a picnic in the backyard when our garden is ready.
yeah, that would be so cool, Dad.
We can pick some of the fruits and vegetables from our garden and make a big salad.
And we can have sandwiches and lemonade.
Exactly. And we can sit under the big tree and enjoy our picnic.
That sounds like so much fun.
I'm glad you're excited, buddy. I am too.
Can we invite Grandma and Grandpa?
That's a great idea. I'm sure they would love to come.
Yay!
I'll call them tonight and invite them.
Okay,
I'm so lucky to have such a great son like you.
I'm lucky to have such a great dad like you.
I love you, buddy.
I love you too, Dad.